Welcome back. This video goes further into the ThreadTracer macro by showing the wave Chipbreaker that I mentioned in the previous video. Now, the wave Chipbreaker here is a newly added feature to ThreadTracer, and it's a strategy that seems to be popping up more and more these days. And I'm going to go ahead and just make the roughing pass with it for time's sake and create that toolpath. And essentially what it does is it does 2 threading cycles each depth. And the first one will enter and exit the work. And then the second one will go straight. So if I render that here, you can see that it's entering the work. And the main advantage of this toolpath strategy is that it breaks the chip. So if you have a stringy material, then this initial pass will enter and exit, causing the chip to break every time that it exits. And then the flat pass chases that same thread and only does the leftover material, so once again the chip will break. Now you have control over when it enters and exits. If you want it at every pitch or every second pitch like this, you have control over how much of a wave it creates and how many segments it creates. And the main advantage, of course, is the chip breaking, so you would look forward to less operator intervention, possibly being able to run lights out. And this can also be applied to a regular threading cycle. So I will make another video with a macro called wave thread, and it applies this same strategy to just a regular threading cycle that you have in GibbsCam. So I will make a video on that. But hopefully this gives you an idea of something that you can use. And this is free with the trial version as well of ThreadTracer. Thank you for watching.